Hi everyone, my name is Jiwon Lee and I'm your attorney. In a previous video, I briefly introduced how to proceed with a civil lawsuit when you're living in Korea. So before we get into this video, please check that out. After getting to know about the process of civil lawsuit, you'd still wonder how will you apply it in a real life situation. So today, let's take a closer look at some real cases and see what you should do about it. Suppose that while your car is parked in the basement, someone hit your car and ran away, or someone left an insulting comment about you on the internet. If you even got scammed, such as your boss didn't give part-time pay or salary to you, all of these situations fall under the violations of civil law and sometimes violations of criminal law at the same time. Before we move on to the next step, I want you to keep in mind that Korean legal system adopted a system of statute law, which means every legal procedure, right and duty is predetermined in written form of statutes and other legal codes passed by the legislative body. This means the legal terms that I mention in every video are all in the statute law. Well, that's why everyone suffers in law school. Now, let's go back to the real case. Suppose that the landlord refuses to return your deposit even though the rent contract is expired. The first thing you should do is send a contents certified mail to the landlord. You must write down the basic facts and your demand on the contents certified mail. This is not a mandatory procedure nor have legal force later on, but this helps to clarify the legal issues about the situation, and it also confirms that you demanded your legal rights before taking your case to the court. Second, you should file a lawsuit and go into trial. A trial of a civil case is usually held on a monthly basis, and both parties must attend the trial and submit their argument in a written form. Also, during the trial, both parties will participate in witness hearing and review for technical evidence if necessary, and after that, you will finally get the ruling from the court. This whole process will take at least 3 to 4 months and even a year if both parties constantly argue about the issues. You must keep in mind that Korean legal system has 3 levels of court: the first instance court, Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court. So if one of the parties is not satisfied by the ruling, then he or she may appeal to a higher court and get another opportunity for a better result. Of course, it's no doubt that it'll take another year to proceed with further trials. If you have any questions regarding a specific case, please contact down below and I will be available to help you. Again, this is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. Thanks for watching.